I should never gave Deanna that $30 until the thing was done. Right. We just too young calling back. All I got is $40. That I gotta give to them.